The video is made for BCom second semester students for basic English subject for Karnataka University, Dharwad. The video is presented by Prabal Jagdish Rodanavar, Assistant Professor of English, Shri K.H. Patil, Government First Grade College, Hulkoti, Gadag. My Brother by Nora Burke. Revision of the short story My Brother, My Brother. The story takes place at Laldwani village, which is 50 miles away from the hospital. As a result, other children in the village were dead of cholera and influenza. Now there are only two children, Sher Singh and Kanwar. Since Kanwar's stomach pain gets worse, his mother wrings out rags in boiling water and lays them on his stomach to lessen the pain. She doesn't cry as she has been through these kinds of situations many times. The people of the jungle think of the hospital only as a last option for survival, and so is the condition of Sher Singh's mother. There are no men in the village, as Sher Singh's father and other villagers are away in the jungle with a photographic expedition. Looking at his brother's condition, Sher Singh decides to take him to the hospital alone. The hospital is at Kalaghat, which is at least 50 miles away. Sher Singh's mother has to stay behind because there is no one to mind the cattle and work on the land. Carrying his brother on his back, Sher Singh hopes to get to the hospital, passing through the jungle and crossing the two rivers in between. In the jungle live the monkeys, the peacocks, tiger and panther and bears and elephants. At night, Sher Singh sees the footprints of a bear, which reminds him a man injured by a bear. However, he moves fast. Realizing he cannot go further without rest, on a cliff he sets Kanwar down against a tree, and he too lays against a tree with his eyes shut. It is then he hears the jostle and sequel of elephants. He sees below on the riverbed the elephants are traveling. He is frightened and prays for his and his brother's safety. Shortly, the herd disappears. Now, Sher Singh becomes ready to cross the river. The river is colder and deeper than usual. Sher Singh goes slowly because of slime on the stones. He thinks he can get a bridge at the second river. As he reached the shore, he finds the footprints of a tiger. At midnight, Sher Singh hears the second river from far away. When he comes closer, he finds the river is flooding and the bridge is submerged under water. A fierce crest of water branches caught against the bridge, and moving boulders give hint to Sher Singh where the bridge is. There is no chance that Sher Singh can alone swim. He gathers grass and plaits it into a rope. He ties the rope round his brother so that they should not be lost in the flood while crossing. He enters the water just above the bridge. The deluge deafens him, timber banks and injures him. The water is too cold, and he does not know whether his brother is dead or alive, but he keeps his brother's head above water. He keeps moving and eventually crosses the river. He is wet and cold, but he moves on till he gets a better road. He takes a bullock cart, then a truck. Finally, he reaches the hospital at Kalghat. Eventually, Kanwar's life is saved by Sher Singh. When the doctor knows Sher Singh himself has brought the child from Laldwani, he appreciates him with the title Sher Singh Bahadur. Objective type questions. Question number 1. Name of the writer of the short story My Brother is dash. The answer is Nora Burke. Question number 2. Who is Sher Singh's little brother? The answer is Kanwar. Question number 3. Sher Singh and Kanwar live in dash village. The answer is Laldwani village. Question number 4. How did the other children of the village die? The answer is by cholera and influenza. Question number 5. Who is suffering from stomach pain? Answer is Kanwar. Question number 6. Who is the child of the jungle? Answer is Sher Singh. Question number 7. Who has the title Sher Singh Bahadur? The answer is Sher Singh's father. Question number 8. What is the last resort for all jungle people? The answer is the hospital. Where is the hospital located? The answer is Kalaghat. Question number 10. Kalaghat Hospital is dash miles away from the jungle. The answer is 50 miles. Question number 11. Who decides to take Kanwar to Kalaghat Hospital? The answer is Sher Singh. Question number 12. Who makes a sling for Sher Singh to carry Kanwar on his back? The answer is Sher Singh's mother. Question number 13. Who reached the hospital at Kalaghat? The answer is Sher Singh and Kanwar. Question number 14. Who gives the title Sher Singh Bahadur to Sher Singh for his bravery? The answer is the doctor at Kalaghat. Question number 15. Whose life is saved by Sher Singh? The answer is Kanwar.